Hi, I'm Jess, and I'm crazy about plants. I'm going to tell you about the amazing time I had in the Ricklington School Orchid Project, the plants I love, the shows we take part in, and the challenges of growing seed in a test tube, and sharing my passion with people here in the UK and the jungles of Rwanda. The greenhouse is in 5 sections, each providing a different orchid environment. This is Caucasia, with plants from the Himalayas. It is home to Dendrobiums and Coleogenes. These both come from Sikkim, and their long bulbs help them to survive the dry season. Warm Asia is home to the amazing orchids of Malaysia and Southeast Asia. Like this species, Trichotosia ferox, which last week won Best in Show at the Devon Orchid Show. We also grow some fantastic miniature orchids, like this Schnorchis fragrans. Warm Americas is where our Cattleyas live. This Cattleya purpurata is the national flower of Brazil. It is wonderfully fragrant and is pollinated by large bumblebees. Cool Americas is my favourite section, as it was the first area I cared for in Year 7. It is packed with all the diversity of the South American cloud forest. The final section is temperate, where we grow cool-growing plants like the Cymbidium loeanum, Coleogenes nitida and Coleogenes cristata, all from the Himalayas. There are so many brilliant things about being responsible for plants: repotting, watering, and pollinating flowers to produce our own seed. Seed sowing for orchids is a technical challenge, as we need a lab to germinate all our seeds in agar jelly in sterile jars. Growing orchids from seeds lets us take part in shows all over the UK, where I design, display and sell the plants I have grown. The highlight this year for me was designing the display for the RHS London Orchid Show, which is where I won my first RHS gold medal. The money we make from shows lets us take our passion for plants to remote parts of the world. This February, I went to Rwanda to teach young people about orchids. I worked with students at Faraway School. I designed and ran a workshop on the life cycle of orchids, as well as helping set up a new propagation lab at the school. I then ran my workshop for diploma students at KCCEM College in Katabi, and led groups of students from both schools into the Nyungwe rainforest to research orchids from the wild. I also found some amazing animals like Loess monkeys, baboons, colobus monkeys and Rwenzori turkeys. I helped the Faraway girls to carry out detailed research on Eulophia horsefalii, a terrestrial orchid that lives in Cameroon's Zivu swamp and grows to be around 2 metres high. The biggest challenge for me was climbing Mount Bigugu, but it was worth it to see the erica scrub at the top with so many unique plants, like Impatiens nungriensis, which is only found near one patch of forest near the summit. I was amazed by what I achieved in Rwanda. I used to be very shy and hardly talk to anyone, but since I had become a plant expert and spent time at shows, giving tours and training younger students, I have become a confident speaker. In fact, I now give talks on how to grow orchids and about the rainforest of Rwanda to garden clubs and other groups. This year will be really exciting. I'm using my plant knowledge and design skills to design a new orchid exhibit at the Eden Project using plants I have grown at school. I'm designing our display at Hampton Court Flower Show and working on a new project for schools in Kenya. A Kenyan agricultural student heard me speak to the Tropical Agricultural Association, and now I am leading a team who will set up orchid projects in 5 Kenyan schools. Even though plants have helped me to travel the world and do amazing things, my favourite thing is still to be here in the greenhouse working with the plants I love.